Hello engineers, today I will tell you everything about Polygon command. So without wasting time, let's get started. There are basically two ways to start drawing polygon. You can start drawing polygon from here, just click on draw and then you will find here polygon, simply click here. Now you will be able to use here polygon command. And if you want to use command line, then simply write here POL then simply press enter. Now it is asking for number of sides, so right now it is showing here 3 and you have to give minimum number 3 and you can give maximum number up to 1024, but I will keep here 3, so I will simply press enter. Now I will select here as. You might not know what is function of as, but now I am going to show you what is function of as. If you click on as, then you will be able to specify first endpoint, like a line. For example, I want to start polygon from here, then I can simply click here and then draw a triangle. Right now it is in ortho mode, so that's why it is not drawing polygon with any angle. But if you want to draw any angle, then I will simply turn off ortho mode by pressing F8. Now you have to give here length of the sides, so here I will give length 8 and then now I will also have to give angle, so I will press tab and now I will give here angle 45 enter. So as you can see here, it has drawn this polygon with any angle and particular dimension. Let me show you the angle and dimension. I will select this line and this line. As you can see here, angle is 45 which I gave here. Let's also measure here length. Oh, I made mistake. I have to choose here again. Aligned. As you can see here, I gave length here 8 and 45 angle. So this is how you can use polygon like this. Now I am going to show you something else about polygon, another method. Now this time I will choose here number of sides 4, enter. Now I will not choose here as because I have already shown you how to choose as and draw polygon. So I will again press. I am going to choose here center. So let's choose here center. Now it is showing here two options: inscribed in circle and circumscribed above circle. So what is inscribed in circle? Inscribed in circle means all the edges will stay inside of the circle. So let me show you what I mean. I will simply choose here inscribed in circle. Now I will give here value 8 because value of this circle is 8. I mean radius of this circle is 8. So now I am going to press enter. As you can see here, all the edges are inside of the circle because I chosen here inscribed circle. Now I will show you how to draw circumscribed circle. So let's move here. Let's choose here polygon command again. Now I'm going to choose here sides 6. I think I should choose here 5 sides. Let's press enter. Now I will choose here center, circumscribed because I want my edges outside of the circle. Now I will give here radius 8, enter. As you can see here, now it is outside. This is the function of circumscribed and inscribed, and you already know about this, so I think now you know everything about polygon command. So this is it for today.